In a recent legal challenge, George Jarkesy has argued that his Seventh Amendment rights were violated. But what does this mean, and why is it important? Well, it caught the attention of some big names in the business world, including Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. These two influential figures have joined forces to submit a shared amicus brief to the Supreme Court. Their concern lies with the Securities and Exchange Commission's approach to conducting common proceedings without the inclusion of juries. They believe that this practice leads to inconsistent outcomes for individuals facing SEC charges, raising questions about the violation of their rights to a jury trial. The specific case at the center of this legal challenge is SEC v. Jarkesy. Here, George Jarkesy argues that the SEC's internal adjudication process, overseen by an administrative law judge appointed by the commission, contradict his Seventh Amendment rights. And essentially, he claims that the lack of a jury means a single entity fulfills the roles of judge, jury, and enforcer. Elon Musk and Mark Cuban have highlighted a significant shift in the SEC's approach between 2013 and 2014. They noticed that the SEC began handling more cases internally instead of going through federal courts. This change came after a series of unsuccessful insider trading cases that were tried before juries. And interestingly, Musk himself is no stranger to legal disputes with the SEC. This is his third notable clash with the financial regulatory agency following lawsuits in 2018 and 2019.
Currently, the SEC is seeking the involvement of a federal court to request Musk's testimony regarding his acquisition of Twitter. The focus is on his public statements about the transaction, the other enablement groups.
Despite their legal battles, Musk and Cuban remain steadfast in their position. They are appealing to the Supreme Court to endorse the decision made by the Fifth Circuit. Their argument is that favoring administrative proceedings over federal court juries goes against the SEC's mission and could have negative consequences for both investors and the markets the SEC aims to protect. And that has a short joke to lighten the mood. Why did the SEC go to therapy? Because it had trouble with commitment. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time.